Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Hustle Academy. In today's video, I'm going to reveal how easy it is to make money right now, especially with TikTok Shop's new affiliate program. It is the best way to make money on TikTok. Stay tuned until the end to learn how to make thousands of dollars a year with TikTok. Get good motivation to increase your income quickly. Don't miss out. Hit that play button now and transform your earnings. Remember to subscribe for more tips. If you want to start making money on TikTok but need help figuring out where to start, use Calodata. Here you can find out which product is trending today, how much the most popular TikTokers earn, how they do it, and which videos are the most popular, and you will only have to repeat the same in your videos. Use my link in the description and get a 10% discount. We're exploring the beauty and personal care market today. It is the toothpaste oral health management Fresh Breath. It's priced at about $14. This product has seen around 26,500 sales, and the revenue was almost $368,000. Nearly 253 creators are promoting it. Let's take a look at one of the top sellers in this category. He sold about 1,000 items and generated nearly $15,180 in revenue in the last 30 days. That's $500 per day. Also, you can watch videos of competitors.
¿Tuviste cómo no tenía los dientes? Miren la pasta que estoy usando. Blanquito de esta pasta, esta pasta es mágica. El precio es espectacular. El enlace te lo vas aquí abajo. Tienes que darle este cambio a tu vida, porque eso como estaba antes, pues eso. Ay, Dios mío, el enlace aquí abajo, ve corriendo a comprártela. Dientes blanquitos todo el tiempo.
This video is super simple and to the point, something anyone can create in just a few hours. If you're looking to make some extra money, TikTok is a great platform to explore. Connect TikTok Shop to your account. Use tools like Calodata to analyze competitors and start making videos. You can even produce content in different languages using AI. The best tool for that is 11 Labs. Check the link in the description. It's super easy with the help of artificial intelligence. In one of my future videos, I'll show you how to make TikTok videos using AI. Thanks for watching. I hope this video opens up new earning opportunities for you. Let me know what you think about this method in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to Digital Hustle Academy for more money-making tips. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.